Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are getting ready to undercoat my truck. I haven't been uploading a few days. I did get primered a little bit. Started taking some stuff off for this receiver right here for the spare tire. Don't really need it, so don't know why I have it. So ended up taking that off. So this is what I have accomplished. I need to go to like your Harbor Freight. Sorry about the wind, guys. I'm trying to pull out this. I need to go to like Harbor Freight or Home Depot or something like that. Give me like a grinder so I can grind these welded nuts on. I don't really need this trailer hitch. Probably going to be doing a roll pan on it eventually. So, but other than that, right now I'm trying to get this undercoating on. Frame looks just got sandblasted all the way around. Looks really good. Oh, up underneath this, I don't know if you guys see that or not. Oh. It looks so good. I'll show you what I have. I also got some mixing cups, some paint gun cleaner, mask, some magazine. I don't know how to say that word. You guys can correct me. I don't know how to say that word. Pads, thins, paint. I'm supposed to get an undercoating on it. Got 4 of these 2K aerosol black. Basically like a finish, so like clear coat basically. Has a red button up top. Take that red button off and then put it on the bottom. It punctures like the actuator and you shake it up. Basically just like your clear coat. Some more paint cups that I'm not going to use. My undercoating. I got this rust encapsulator. I heard really good from Eastwood, so I went with it. Got 2 of them, and then got some other. Just in case I don't have enough of that. Well, I should have enough of that, but just in case I'll have that. And then I got this spray gun from Harbor Freight. I'm gonna open this up for you guys. It's kind of hard doing this one hand. Comes with the top piece. Regulator, instructions. Don't know what this piece is for. And this paint, which this handle kind of seems. It's not the worst thing I've ever felt, but I mean it's not definitely the best. Has a tip on it, pretty good tip on it. I'm not really that familiar with paint guns, but this would definitely get the job done for right now. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to finish this tonight. I'll take you guys there and probably put you guys on time lapse. So probably gonna be trying to clean out this garage a little bit so I can back my truck in closer to the garage and out of the wind. And then that should be it of it. I'll catch you guys when I get closer to time for me to start this undercoating. See you guys later. Okay guys, this paint, you want to mix it from the rest of the encapsulator. I'll mix it 5 to 1. Let's see, sorry. 5 to 1. So, I got a pint and this is a quart, so I'm probably just going to use the 4-4. What you do is, this is your paint, how much paint you put into it, and then your thinner. So if you do like 5, you can also go up to the 5 with your thinner. So right now I'm putting 4. I can put just enough 4, put 4 in there, and then fill my thinner up to that number 4, and we should be all good. You probably won't be use this third line. It's just not the best. Doesn't get used much, so I'm gonna get right to it, and we'll mix this up and we'll get back to my frame.
does. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are.
Hey guys, I'm back at my house. It's like a couple days later. I forgot to record the outro of that video. I thought I recorded it, but I didn't. So I'm here at home. Just got off work. Ready to play some Call of Duties. But anyways, the truck frame is done. It's all undercoated. Everything's great on it. Looks good. I'll probably upload some clips of it. I got some on my phone to this video. But anyways, if you guys like this content, like the video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notifications so every time I get post another new video, you guys get notified. I really appreciate the support you guys have given me. Yeah, you guys have a good day. See ya. Bye.